Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Right now we're on our way to Laguna Niguel, California. That's where we have the next project. It's residential, so what we're going to be doing is a patio. So once we get there, I'm going to explain to you guys. So let's go and get started with this video. We arrived. Today I brought my helper. You guys can see there. It's in front of me. His name is the chicken. Just kidding. This is the floor right here. Very thin layer of paint. Nothing crazy. Probably was a Home Depot paint. So we put a 30 grit metal bond for medium concrete. Most of our jobs we start with the 30 grit. We drop down lower than the 30 if it's something more heavy, but this is a very thin layer of paint. The paint is coming off very easily. I also started with the edges with the same grit. At this point I'm about to finish doing my edges with the 30 metal. As soon as I'm done with this step, I start with my 50 ceramic. I also put some water on the concrete because that is helping me to remove that scratching pattern easily from the step before. The paint is being removed from the entire floor. Now we vacuum the floor. The reason we're doing that is because we want to see where the imperfections are so we can start chipping. As soon as we're done chipping, we will vacuum one more time so we can have nice clean floor so we can put our patch. He already begin patching. This time we using a 2-part epoxy with sand. On the holes you can use it without sand, also on the cracks, but if you're trying to achieve a concrete look, I recommend you to use sand. Especially if the crack is wide enough. If you don't use sand, it's gonna sink and you're gonna have to go over 1 or 2 times. The epoxy normally dries between 5 minutes to 10 minutes. Depends on the temperature, but because it's outside, 5 minutes it will be dry. Patch is being removed with the 50 ceramic on the hand grinder. We're running a 50 ceramic right now to take the scratches from the step before. So we're gonna run this on the entire floor and we're gonna come back and clean the floor so we can apply the sealer. The floor is looking pretty good. I just want to take a look at the cracks. You can see there our material blends pretty good with the floor. You're still going to see the crack on the floor, but we're trying to match it as close as possible. There's another hole there, you can see there, pretty good. With a 4-inch grinder, I'm doing the edges of the concrete to make it look more clean. Also, we vacuum the floor to get it ready for the sealer. We are applying our first coat of sealer. We're gonna apply 2 coats of the same sealer. They kind of match with your
Yeah, I'm so glad we didn't do the
wall.
Yeah, crazy, huh?
Yeah.
But,
The cracks and everything, we put epoxy, you can see there.
oh yeah, you see there.
Yeah, oh yeah, here, you know.
Yeah. How long before it's dry?
You can walk. I just don't want to because I don't want to get it dirty.
Oh my
That's
gosh,
it.
yeah. That's crazy.
I just don't want to get it dirty.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right on. Well, I think it looks really, really good. The
customer is happy with the floor. You guys can see before and after. What a difference. This is a grind and seal, 2-step grinding. More on the matte finish. You're gonna see a little bit of sheen to it because the sun is hitting the concrete and the sealer. And I just want to show you guys that crack. It blends pretty good with the concrete. The job is being completed. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. A very small project. We start with a 30 grit metal, and then right after that we went with a 50 grit ceramic pad. We vacuum the floor, we seal it with a waterproof sealer, and that was it. Pretty easy, straightforward. If you guys like the video, please put thumbs up, subscribe, support the channel, hit that notification bell so you guys can get notified every time I upload a video. And I'm out. See you guys on the next one.